The Island of the Blue Dolphins. Chapter 10. During the long days of summer, Karana sits on the cliff, scanning the horizon for ships. When the first storm of winter comes, she knows that no ship will come until spring. The winter storms blow onto the rock where Karana sleeps, and she is forced to move her bed to the foot of the rock. The dogs come the first night she sleeps there. She makes a fire to keep them back and kills 3 of them with her bow. During the storm, Karana decides to travel across the sea to look for her people. When the storm ends, she goes to the place by the cliff where her people left their canoes, the ones they would have used to escape the Aleuts if they came back. The food in the canoes is still good, and Karana brings some water from the spring. Taking the smallest of the canoes, she leaves the island of the Blue Dolphins. By dusk, her home has disappeared from sight. The sea is rough and Karana is afraid, but she uses the stars to find her way. During the night, she realizes her canoe is leaking and plugs the crack with fiber from her skirt. When dawn breaks, Karana sees she has drifted south of her planned course. She adjusts her heading, now using the sun to direct her. Soon she finds another leak, which she plugs in the same way as the last. Seeing that the planks of the canoe are weak, Karana knows that she must turn back. She's reluctant to do so, however, because the island to which she must return is so lonely and desolate. As water again starts to leak into the canoe, she turns and heads back. On her way, a swarm of dolphins begins to follow her boat. Dolphins are a good omen, and though Karana is tired and despairing, the sight of the dolphins gives her the strength to continue.